sports fans, want a great appetizer for game day? It's football season, and we love to eat and watch the game. And our favorite thing is jalapeno poppers. Picture cheese. Now picture some more cheese. This time it's cream cheese. Now the yummy spices. Bacon, crispy, crunchy bacon. Jalapeno poppers. Not just one, but two versions of the jalapeno poppers for game day. 5 seconds on the clock. Welcome back to Cheeky Sassy Lee. Jalapeno poppers. Jalapeno. Did you notice I have my game day here? And it's on. The spicy food challenge has arrived. The things you need are jalapenos, Worcestershire sauce, spicy jam, roasted garlic, green onion, Mexican cheese, 3 types of cream cheese, chive, spicy and regular, cumin, bacon, avocado oil, and ground chorizo. And the tools you need is a muddler and a dryer. And you need milk to wash the spice. This air fryer has got a mind of its own. Let's get started with our peppers. I'm using some red and yellow bell peppers for the non-spicy, and the green for our hot and spicy poppers. A lot of people are scared to cut a jalapeno.
I think I can do this.
I'm not sure
If I were a pepper, I'll be a jalapeno.
what I should do here.
Comment down below, what kind of pepper are you?
Found the deceiver. Oh.
I forgot. The green ones are the jalapenos. And they're hot.
I just eat it. It's a seed. You're not gonna die. I ain't scared of nothing. That was a bad decision.
First, we're going to slice them down the middle. This is how your pepper should look like if it's got the membrane. And this is the other one with the hollowed out center. Now I'm going to scoop out our membrane and sew it in the inside. The seeds and the membrane are spicy, so if we leave them in, it'll be even spicier. We're going to set our peppers aside, and we're going to grind our chorizo. We're going to get our avocado oil and put in 2 tablespoons of it in our pan. How do you say chorizo? Isn't that a funny word? Is it?
Chorizo.
Chorizo?
We need chorizo.
A chorizo.
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 Yeah, chorizo.
Alexa, how do you say chorizo?
I pronounce that chorizo, but I'm always working on how I say things and I might not have it right.
Some people say chorizo, but I say chorizo. Tomato, tomato. Once our oil is heated up, we're going to cook our chorizo in our pan. While our chorizo is cooking, we're going to chop up our green onions in little circles. The reason why I use avocado oil is because it does not have any flavor. Okay, this is good. Our chorizo is done. Now I'm gonna pass it on into a bowl. I'm going to muddle my 4 cloves of roasted garlic. And also, tell me, have you ever used a muddler before? Now I'm gonna add my muddled garlic into our bowl. Oh no. It's time to add a garlic to our bowl. It looks like a paste. Time for our green onions. Okay, the green onions are going in our bowl. It's cheese time. Now we're going to add in our 4 ounces of regular cream cheese into our bowl. It's not letting me scoop it in. Now it's time for our chive. Now I'm going to get my chive cheese. This is our Mexican cheese. Is it anything better with cheese? I'm putting in 2 cups of Mexican cheese to our bowl. Now it's time for tropical seasoning. And it's difficult for me to open. I'm gonna need a knife. Got it open. Now it's time to put her in and spice it up. Now I'm gonna add in 5 or 6 big dashes of our Worcestershire sauce. I'm adding now our pepper and our salt to our mixture. And that's how a little goes a long way. This mixture is for our non-spicy peppers. I'm going to start stuffing them in. Now I'm going to get our spicy cream cheese and put it in our bowl. Time to mix our spicy cream cheese with, and for our topping, we're gonna add some spicy jam. I think this got hot in here. This is my favorite type of jam, guys. I love it. What is your favorite kind of jam? Comment down below. I added about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to spread my mixture. Our peppers and bacon. Now we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna start wrapping it around. And it's recommended to lightly spray your air fryer pan. Make sure to separate your peppers in the air fryer pan. We are going to check on our peppers at 8 minutes. These took about 12 minutes to cook. These are ooey gooey delicious. Crunchy bacon. Ooey gooey delicious. And I have to try one. They're gonna be hot. Bring on the milk, please! We're mugged up, baby. Gonna need milk to get rid of the spice. It's so good, guys. Kind of hot over here, but it's fine.
That's
Spicy meatball!
Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. If you like fun foodie videos, make sure to hit that bell. And what do you think of my video? Thank you guys.